this is Mrs. Brown. So today we're going to talk about the negative exponent property. So if you're filling in your content frame, your first category is skill. So you'd fill in the name of the property, the negative exponent property. The what is it? So officially it's for every non-zero. Remember, non-zero means not zero, fancy way of saying it. So every non-zero number A. And integer, remember integers are the whole numbers and their opposites. So 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, all those kinds of things. And a to the negative n equals 1 over a to the n. Okay. So when do we use this? Well, when you have a negative integer exponent, write the reciprocal for that power, and your exponent will now be positive. Okay, so the negative part isn't positive or negative as you're used to seeing it. It's telling us that it's not in the correct place. So we need to rewrite it as the reciprocal. It's not like a positive and negative like we do on the number line like you're used to. It's using that symbol in a different way. So sometimes students get really confused by this, but understand that the negative exponent property is just telling us to move that to a new spot. So we're changing it. So let's look at some examples so that you're comfortable with it. Okay, and if you didn't finish notes, you can go back and pause if I talk too fast. That happens sometimes. Okay, so if we start with some examples. Okay, so if I have 3 to the -2, okay, what that means is this is really 1 over 3 squared, reciprocal. Reciprocal means we're flipping it over, if you remember that from dividing fractions, okay? And then you can evaluate it. So this is equivalent to 1/9. Let's say I wanted to do a to the 5th over b to the -2, okay? This one is positive, so I don't do anything to it. This one tells me it's in the wrong place. Since it's in the denominator, I'm now going to put it up next to the a in what would be the numerator if I had it over 1. Okay? And so the last one, m squared, probably do that division, okay, divided by 8n to the -2. Again, this is not in parentheses, so the negative exponent only applies to the n. So you're going to do m squared, n to the -2 becomes n squared over 8. And that would be your final simplified expression, okay? So when not to use it? So when do we not use this rule? And just like with the exponent, the zero exponent property, 0 to the -2 is undefined. So in other words, we can't calculate it, okay? I hope this helps and have a wonderful day.